Hi everyone, I'm right in the front of the Central Festival in Chaweng. So Central Festival is a kind of outdoor mall with many shops and a restaurant. So it's Saturday around 6 p.m. normally. Over here, if it was a normal time, it will be full of people on the terrace here, or maybe we're making some shopping. But as you can see right now, it's absolutely empty. And yeah, it's right the center of Chaweng. So in my last video in Chaweng, I walked from the Ozoba until the Utters Samui. So today I'm gonna walk from here at the Central Festival until the Utters, which is right over there. Yeah, so it's really quiet again today. I wanted to have a look on a Saturday around 6 p.m. how it will look, but there is only the Starbucks coffee which is open now with yeah, one client inside, and the restaurant next door like the Copacabana or the kitchen of course closed now, but they still have the tables inside. It's always quiet, guys, and every time I start a video, you can be sure that there will be a truck or scooters will make a lot of noise. So right opposite to the central, you have two shops over there, which are, you know, they are making handmade jewelry and some selling some clothes there. So they are still open. I'm quite sure because they didn't finish the rent, so they are just like keep it open. But most of the shops now in Chaweng, like this one, it was a 7-Eleven, are now for rent. And it's funny because the street is now becoming for some Thai people a street where they can make their evening walk. I didn't see so many birds. Sawadee. มีลูกค้าเยอะไหมครับไม่มีใช่ไหมวันนี้ไม่มีทุกวันไหม
ก็มีแต่ไม่เยอะ
ไม่เยอะใช่ไหมครับเป็นคนอยู่สมุยนานแล้วก็รู้จักหลังนี้ใช่ไหมครับโอเคขอบคุณครับ Yeah, so like I was asking her if she had many customers. Of course not. Today she didn't have even one client, but she said too that she sometimes had some clients. Of course, not much. Recap. It's quite busy. I'm surprised. Like I told you, many shops are now like this, empty and for rent. The only one who keep their door open, I'm quite sure it's because they pay the rent and they have a contract, and the contract didn't end, so they just keep their doors open as they pay the rental fee, you know. They already paid it, so. Yeah. It's always crazy to see it like that. There's no one around the Evergreen Resort. Sorry, I'm moving, guys. So another huge clothes shop which is still open, the Psylo. Right here, a massage shop with still the price on the glass, but of course totally empty now. So all this part of the street of Chaweng Beach Road is normally full of people any time of the year. I mean, especially in high season, but even in low season, you have people here. The Chaweng Garden Beach Resort, which is open now. You see they put a sign over there to say that rooms were available and they were open. They are open in the middle of a closed area. And so right here, the famous Hard Rock Cafe and the Hooters, but they are of course both closed. And yeah, over there the Soy Green Mango again. And so yeah, normally on a Saturday evening time, 6 p.m. yeah, it's busy with a lot of taxis, a lot of sailors. All the restaurants, like the Bondi right here, are full and with some music. But right now, as we can see, it's really quiet. Okay guys, so because last time I started my video over there from the Ozone till the Soy Green Mango and especially the Hooters, so now I came back to the point where I finished my last video. So it will be that for today. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and see you in the next video.